Planning a layover in London? From finding the best LHR airport lounge to exploring the city, whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for LHR. Getting around from LHR is easy. The Heathrow Express takes you to central London in 15 minutes, or grab a rideshare for about 25 minutes. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours for your LHR layover, you'll stay at the airport. Start by clearing customs and grabbing your bags. Then head to one of the excellent airport lounges where you can relax with complimentary drinks and comfortable seating. After freshening up, explore the LHR airport food options, or catch a quick meal at the food court before heading back through security for your next flight. Got 8 hours? Now you can really explore during your London layover. Clear customs, then hop on the Heathrow Express to Paddington Station in just 15 minutes. From there, take a leisurely stroll through Hyde Park, one of London's most famous green spaces. Next, grab authentic fish and chips at a nearby spot like Mick's Fish Bar for a true British experience. After your meal, explore Little Venice's picturesque canals before catching the express back to LHR, with plenty of time for departure. 16 hours? That's a full day in London. After clearing customs, take the Heathrow Express to Paddington, then hop on the tube to Westminster to see Big Ben and the iconic Parliament buildings. Next, walk over to Buckingham Palace and catch the scenery. Grab lunch at a traditional pub for an authentic British meal with a pint. After that, head to the Tower of London to explore this historic fortress. Then stroll across Tower Bridge for stunning views. Enjoy dinner near Paddington before your relaxed trip back to the airport. Budget breakdown. The 4-hour layover at LHR costs about £30 for lounge access. The 8-hour City Explorer runs about £48 with transit and food. And the full-day adventure costs around £88, including all transit, meals, and Tower of London entry. A few tips for your layover in London. First, use ATMs instead of currency exchange for better rates. Second, book luggage storage through Bouncer Stasher to save money. And third, eat in the city, not the airport, to cut your food costs in half. Planning a London layover. Full guide at yopki.com, link below.